guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is going to be from November the 12th through the 18th. Time is flying. So what I'm going to be doing this week is I had a request to do the Brady bunch, and I said, sure, I'd love to do that. So I made my own stickers, and then this is the paper that I've chosen to do for the spread. And this just reminds me of shirts that Greg wore and the mom wore, and this just kind of picks up that same vibe to me. And I bought these this paper at Hobby Lobby, and then I got this washi at Hobby Lobby too. It was a 2-pack, but this just brought in that bright, happy feel for the Brady bunch. And I'm just going to be using a blue Sharpie that I bought at Dollar Tree quite a while ago. And like I said, I made my own stickers. So let's take my pages out of my planner, and I'm so glad everybody loved my fall theme. I really enjoyed doing that. Okay, I've decided that I want this to be the dominant paper of the spread, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it first. But I love the Brady Bunch. My brother and I watched it growing up, and we loved it. I still watch it from time to time. And I really like this paper too. They always had something going on in their house. Never a dull moment. Okay, let's put our paper down how we want it. I think this is just going to be the cutest little spread. So happy. Okay, let's start gluing it down. Oh, that is really cute. Oh, I really do like that. That is really cute. Okay, let's start putting our washi down. This just really reminded me of the show. Oh, I love it. This is wonderful. They just don't make shows like this anymore. I really do like this. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so here's my stickers that I made. This is just the family standing on their staircase. And I'm gonna put it right here. And then this is a picture of the mom and the dad. So I think I'll put them right about here. And this is the three girls on the parents' wedding day. So I'm gonna stick this about right in here. Pretty sure that was the wedding day, I think it was. Then here's the three of them once again, and they've done something that they weren't supposed to do. But you always learned a good lesson from them. And then this is just Jan and Marcia in their room. Always love their room. And then here's Alice, sweet, sweet Alice. And then this is Greg and his dad. I think I'll put them right about there. And then this is Peter and Jan. Let me put them about right here. And then this is Greg, Peter, and Bobby. I'll stick them right there. And then the last one, I just put Marcia, Jan, and Cindy in the kitchen. Oh, I really do love how this turned out so far. Okay, so let me write just a few things that I need to do. Okay, let's put my pages back in my planner and take a look at this. I think it's absolutely adorable. I really do love this. Then I went ahead and printed off one of these pictures like you see when it first comes on, and I just cut holes so it fit in here, and I'm going to put this right in here if my planner will hold it. It's really about ready to explode, I do believe. Okay, and then the house. I wanted a picture of the house, so I did the same thing there, and I'm just gonna put it right in here. And I think it'll go in easier because this side is getting a lot thinner. But here's my spread. I really do love how it turned out. I love these paper and this washi, and I love my stickers. I think it gives a really good feel for the Brady Bunch. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.